Click on Start icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Click here to open it. On this window, click on File, then select Run New Task. On this window, click on Browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now just scroll down and open Windows folder. From here we need to open this folder, then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe. Select this and click on open. After that, simply check this box and click on OK. It will open command prompt window. So we already have a list of commands to make it easy for you, and to avoid mistakes, simply open Google Chrome, then type here google.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and click here to open it. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. On this window, just scroll down and search for command number 12. So copy this command, simply click on this, right click and select copy. Now go back to command prompt window and right click on command prompt to paste and hit enter to execute it. After that, copy command number 13, go back to command prompt window, right click on black area and simply paste that and hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this command prompt window. Go to search bar and type in Google Chrome and click here to open it. Then search for DirectX download and we need to click on the first link from the search results. Okay, now scroll down and select language and click on download. It will start downloading the setup file. Click on it and start the installation process of Microsoft DirectX. It will take some time to complete its process. Once done, go to search bar and type Google Chrome. Click here to open it. Again, type d3d compiler 43.dll download. Again, click on the first link from the search results. As per your system type, we need to download setup file. So click on download. Go to show in folder. Extract this file. We need to copy this file and go to C drive, open Windows folder, just scroll down and open System32 folder and paste that file here. Click on continue. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.